Today we are going to build a complete website using Windsurf AI. First of all, you need to have Windsurf installed, and in order to install Windsurf, just go to windsurf.com, and from here you can easily download and install Windsurf. Then you need to log in, and once you log in, you will see an interface like this. So here you can see open folder. First of all, choose this option code with cascade, and here you can see open folder. Click on it, and here let's say I'm going to create a folder over here. Let's say the folder name will be my cool portfolio, and I'm going to select this folder, then click here, select folder, and it will open like this. So I need to trust the author, and there you go. So right now we need to press Ctrl plus L. So I'll press Ctrl plus L, and it will open a chat window like this. So you can talk with Windsurf just like ChatGPT, so be nice to it. Otherwise, it may replace you in the future. So we're going to build a portfolio website. So I'm going to say over here, build me a responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Include a hero section about projects and contact form. After that, here you can see the send button, and here you can see we have code option. And here you will see two options, code and chat. So you need to select the code option. And here you will see the Cloud Sonnet GPT-5. You can choose whatever you prefer. So let's choose over here Cloud Sonnet 4.5, and then click over here send. So it will start creating our project, and there you can see the first file it will create is index.html. After that, it will create the style, then JavaScript file. And there you can see it generated the index.html file. There you can see the code, and right now it is creating the style.css. So if you just click on it, it will show you the index.html, and if you now click on style.css, it will show you all the CSS that it just added automatically. And right now there you can see it is making the JavaScript file, and there you go, our JavaScript file creation is complete as well. There you can see, and at the end it will also create a readme file to document the project. And there you can see it is now testing and verifying responsiveness. There you go, it is done. And here you can see, let me start a browser preview. If I now click on it, it is now giving us all the description that it just added over here, and it gives us link. So right now if you click on it, it will open it in the browser, and there you can see it look like this. So here you can see we have a round cycle over here. You can add your image, and there you can see you can add different image over here by yourself, and it also created the contact form, everything that I asked. So let's just have a dark mode over here, and let's also change the button design. So let's go back to our Windsurf, and here first of all we need to accept all the changes to save all the files. So I'm going to click here accept all, then I'm going to give a new prompt, make it dark mode, and give the button a neon glow, then click here send. So right now it will modify the CSS file. There you can see style.css, and there you can see it started making some changes, and here you can see the red number. It means some of the CSS is deleted, and if you now just click on it, it will show you the deleted CSS over here. There you go. So the red color you are seeing is deleted, and there you can see it also added some new CSS as well. So you can actually see all the changes over here just by clicking on it. There you can see, and there you can see it is complete. So right now I'm going to click here accept all. It is done. So let's go back to our browser, this on. So let me just refresh here, and there you can see our background is black, and there is a button neon effect over here. It looks cool. There you go. So this website is really good. So let's just add a little bit of calling animation and fade effects. Okay, so let's go back to our Windsurf again. Let's over here add smooth scroll animation and fade effects. Then click here send. There you go, it's done. So right now I'm going to click here accept all. Let's go back to our browser, then refresh, and there you can see it has now some cool animation and fade effect. There you can see. So if you want, you can also add some demo images over here. So let's say our Windsurf add some demo images from Google. And there you go, it is done. So right now let's go back to our browser and let me just refresh here. And there you go, it added the images here and it looks great. Actually, it actually matches with the title, the images. So I also want the image over here and I want a different text here. So let me just copy this and let's say over here, instead of this, write, hi, I am your AI developer, and for the round circle on the right side, add a AI logo and let's press enter. So try to be specific as much as you can, because the more specific you are, Windsurf will give you the better result. And there you can see this done. So right now I'm going to click here accept all. Then let's go back to our browser. Then let's refresh here. And there you can see it added a AI image over here, and it also kept this part span class highlights. So let's just modify this a little bit. And I also do not like this AI image, so we can upload our own AI image. So here you will see this plus icon. We just need to click here, and here you can see upload image. So we are going to click here upload image, and I have a image over here, this one. I'm going to select this, then click here open. So let's over here remove span class, this one completely, remove this completely, and add this image on the right circle. Press enter. And there you go. We have the image over here and it says, hi, I am your AI developer. So yeah, I think the website is complete. So having Windsurf AI is like having your own front-end developer, but you don't have to pay any salary. So basically you don't have to code anymore. You just need to talk to AI. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section and make sure to like, comment and subscribe.